Yeah. You think about money when you think about me, huh? That's why my ex, you don't want me, huh? She used to have a baby, now she on sneaker. I had her eating lobster, now she eating pizza. I think about Easter when I think about Keisha. Sure to stay fly, that's why I keep her. Brown like the brown Mona Lisa. She good if I leave her, she got her own visa. Think about them when you think about frontin'. Think about stunting when you think about me. I'm the boss, Bentley or the Porsche. Overseas seat, jet ski, slide across. I love the way you dress, now take it off. On my shoulders, of course. I'm racing through your mind, but you're already lost. I'm at the finish line, and you're a friend of mine. Come on, let's ride. Just a little bit every now and then. Girl, we used to be friends. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I think like a hustler, I'm thinking about a shipment. She thinking I'm a hustler, she thinking about commitment. It's like Paul McCartney stuck in my head. He fell in love with it, he walked away on one leg. She ain't even have to run to get away with the bread. That's a...
Yeah man, babes. Right now, John wants to I feel good star. You bring me out to make me feel nice, you know?
Why? I don't understand you. What's the big deal about a phone? How phone get into me in the afternoon? I really don't get it. Like, if you have anybody to call?
Yes. One last thing.
You want to go where?
School.
At this time?
Yes. You know buy me BlackBerry?
You keep stressing about the phone. What do you need a phone for?
Babes, you know saying at them time you have to have a phone.
Yeah, but you never have one before. You didn't have one before. So what's the big deal? It's not like you have anybody to call.
One to the car.
One to the who?
The car.
Car?
Yeah, we say go buy me.
Yeah, but I mean, you have to start from license, learning to drive, all of that first. You know how to drive, by the way?
No.
Okay, see, as I tell you.
But you have a car, you know, can teach me.
Yeah, but we don't get around to that. You're moving too fast for me.
Fast, I just say you call it.
Yeah, I mean, you want a phone, you want a car, school. The last time I told you about school, you didn't come. I tell you to take the SATs with me. You didn't. So.
You know, make me go to school and you know, buy me no phone, you know, give me no car.
You don't worry about it. I'm taking care of you. What, you're not happy? Am I not doing enough?
Yes, me not say, yeah, me not happy, but you don't know the thing. You alright. Me want alright too, isn't me?
Yeah, but you're fine. You'll get your chance. Don't worry about it.
Yes, you don't like that talk, babe.
Alright, listen. We come here to have a good time. Are we going to have a good time or not?
You don't want to give me no car, you don't want to buy no phone.
Cut it. Like, why the sudden rush? I mean, the last time I checked, you went down to this place, buying everybody drinks. That didn't even like you in the first place. They aren't your friends. What's that all about? Wasting money and all that? You think it come easy?
Yes, you can't say that, babe.
Yeah, but you can't just be requesting stuff. You know how stuff come by? You're moving too fast, I tell you before.
So you deal me now?
Yeah.
So all of a sudden you just change from myself.
You change. You start to be demanding. All these stuff. I don't know.
Yes, no, man, you can't say that. You know, I love you and all these things, so you have been anything that thing.
Yeah, but I make it shiny and new. Shouldn't be complaining. Asking for all these things.
No, babes, man, what you doing, so? I don't like that style.
But it's true.
No, man, you know, deal with man good style. So that means that then you want to me say then. To me see where you're right now. I tell them to leave you alone then. Yeah?
I'm not saying that, Tristan. You're just pressuring me. Can't you see that?
Pressuring you for ask if you buy me something because you have no money.
It's my money, not yours. You can't make demands for something that you don't own.
Yeah, right now still. I love you, but right now told me you see I did the thing, you start to make your own man. You left you alone, you know?
Really?
So why you not answer your phone?
We're talking. We're having a discussion, don't it?
Okay, so you don't know every time so normally they answer your phone and walk away, you know?
Why are you watching all these stuff?
No.
I tell you I can do what I want to do, Tristan. Right?
So I didn't think you have to tell me. Yeah. You don't know, babe. Try to know where you do the thing like you are, man. Leave your load and anything, you see me? Yeah, man.
Sorry, I have to get this. Okay. Yeah. Hey.
Hi, honey.
Yeah, what's up?
You got that package I sent for you the last time there?
Of course I did. Thanks so much.
You bought what you had to buy with it?
Yeah, you know I have to do everything.
And you have money to leave over for your shopping and stuff?
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
So I'm out on the road now. As soon as I get in now, I'll call you back, okay, honey?
Be sure to do that.
Tristan.
How is this?
Hello?
Tristan.
How the bum buck like this I call woman phone?
Tristan.
How the bum buck like this I call woman phone?
Who is it?
Give me the phone. Give me the phone. What you did? You know what you just did a while ago?
Oh, I'm here, so who that? So are you friend that will ever call you?
This really pissed me off. This is it.
It was.
I am on my phone having a conversation and you're going to pull my phone. No.
Fall along
How
then.
dare you? How dare you?
A fool let it. What?
You know what you just did? You just messed up everything. Everything. Sorry.
Stacey, who the hell was that?
I'm sorry, honey. I'm on the road. It's just somebody just
What's going
in
on
the
here?
background. I don't know. Some
I think
people
you're taking
making
me for a
mischief.
fool, you know?
No, I'm
I think
not.
you're taking me for a damn fool.
Yeah, honey.
I'm catching the first flight in tonight.
Yo, how we are
Damn flight.
Sorry, honey.
Yo, we are chatting on the
What the
phone.
hell is going on?
You still a chat to the man, how you deal with?
Listen.
How you deal with?
Why you disturbing my phone call, Tristan?
Yo, I'm tell you this man, that means a fool let that man fall along, you come for man and man feel like say you're real, you're not real.
Alright?
So you do.
You just messed up my life. You know what you did?
What?
You just messed up everything. You need to find yourself home.
Say you're not bring home. Yo, babes. Yeah, me I say no man, open the door no man.
Tristan?
Open the door no.
Bye.
Open the door no. You say you deal man.
Cause you are my girl. I done damn near lost my mama. I done been through so much drama. I done turned into the man that I never thought I'd be. I'm ready to sign them papers.
Yeah, really have got that man.
Take what you let me know. I can't deny how much I love you. I didn't give a bad thing I had to. As hard as it is, I'm afraid I gotta say I'm ready to sign them papers. Take what you let me know. Options
Daddy, what's your water?
Water, tell me.
Tell me water now.
It's a head sign. The youths them grow cold inside. No soul inside. Yeah. Them feel the youths them on the back of it like a rolling dice. So for the Israelites them will let go them. I'm an office step on there. You see them before dirty Babylon come grave them. Hey Babylon,
youths them soul. God with the youths them soul. Yeah, get the youths them have a good down in now. Them God with the youths them soul. Illuminati, God with the youths them soul. God with the youths them soul. Yeah, people them have a good down in now. Them God with the youths them soul. So all when me thirsty, Babylon wants and me no want that. Cause me know some soul them have. Tear up them contract and last. Burn them dirty wicked, burn them disaster. Yeah, them have the youths, them a beg on roadside. Grow up whole and dead on roadside. Watch me black brother them, blood a shed on roadside. We not even can hold vibes. I don't see Babylon. God with the youths them soul. God with the youths them soul. Yeah, get the youths them have a good down in now. Them God with the youths them soul. Illuminati, God with the youths them soul. God with the youths them soul. Yeah, people them have a good down in now. Them God with the youths them soul. Before me born, them want me mother did me take tired. It never works so over man I them buy off. Them want mama bread we not die. Them want my head top we fly off. I show them no sign. Man did that come fight this. Burn them dirty gun, ratchet blade and ice pick. You mad me coulda use it for my brother make him life flick. All when me sick me no need them cheap because you gone with the youths them soul. Gone with the youths them soul. Babylon, the youths a put them in a room. They dirty Babylon. Gone with the youths them soul. Gone with the youths them soul. Yeah, go down in a room. God with the youths and soul. I don't see Babylon. God with the youths and soul. God with the youths and soul. Black people, them have a good down in a wood. God with the youths and soul. Illuminati. God with the youths and soul. God with the youths and soul. Get a youth, them have a good down in a wood. God with the youths and soul. Yeah, the youths them grow born inside.